What's up, Iduan here, and today I'm visiting a Russian Christmas and New Year market. There's a lot of people here because we're now in the center of Russia, in the center of Moscow. Actually, we're in the Red Square, so there are a lot of lights and everything is made so expensive. This Christmas market looks like European one, very beautiful, but that's probably because we're right now in the capital city in Moscow. A lot of stuff you can buy here, some very tasty food, and the whole market is divided into different countries, where in each part of the market you can buy some food from other countries, for example from Czech Republic and Sweden and others. You can also find here some artists like a Russian Santa Claus, which is actually called Ded Moroz, which can be translated like grandpa called grandpa or something like that. And he has a very long beard, and actually in every tale and every movie or cartoon he travels with his granddaughter, which is called Snegurочка, which snow girl, which can translate it as snow girl. And you can see there's a lot of people here, and some of them of course are tourists, but most of them are Russian people that just came to the city center because it's right now it's Sunday, so it's holiday and everybody is free, and you can visit some Christmas or New Year market. Actually, this market is more New Year market than a Christmas, because on a Russian calendar the Christmas goes after New Year, so it's more like New Year market. But anyway, it's so cool here. And this is a part of Kremlin. In Russian tales, Santa Claus rides 3 horses. That's why there are 3 horses here.